Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can make money by downloading simple ebooks. As you can see down here, this one, if this is an offer, if you just download this ebook you get paid $0.22. This one, if you sign up on this site you get paid $0.3. So doing like 3 of these tasks will give you $1, and per day you can do like 50, so that's up to more than $10 plus per day, which you can actually make on this site. So if you are interested in this kind of video, just stay tuned to the end of the video while I explain everything that it can offer to you, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so to register for this website is actually very easy, and it's also free, and you can actually make a lot of money from it. So first of all, you open your browser, then you copy the link in the description box. I'll be dropping the link in the description box so you can sign up there. So once you get there, you see a form like this. So you just put in your real name, your email, your passwords, confirm password, then your nickname, that's your username. Then select here I am a worker. So then you agree to this, then you just sign up. So let me just go to my account now. Alright, I have my account somewhere. Let me just log in. Alright, so those send a code to your email for the login stuff. Let me just pause this until I log in. Okay guys, so I finally logged in. So as you can see here, I have about $3.3, but it's actually been months since I've actually done any task on this site, because I had a lot of things to do, so I haven't been very active on the site. But as you can see here, I still have money inside, like from previous tasks and previous things I've done. So without wasting much of your time, I think this video is going to be very short, just straight to the point, to teach you how you can make money and how you can withdraw. So first of all, you can check here. Now you see a lot of jobs here that they posted. This one will pay $0.325 for you to add swag box and extensions for that's for desktop users. And for this one, you just see basically different tasks. This one, they ask you to download an ebook, a PDF. Just download the ebook and you get $0.2. So these things are very easy for you to do, which you can just do within like about most of them take less than 2 minutes, less than 1 minute to complete, and you get paid $0.2. If you do 5 tasks, that's $1. So this is a way to start earning money for free. As you can see here, this one too, MPH sign up. Once you sign up and it's auto KYC for new users only, you get paid $0.3. If you do like 3 of these ones, that's already $1. So you can actually withdraw like after maybe a day, or even in the same day you register. So it's actually very easy to do, and it's actually paying. So you can check here to get to the ones of that are extremely easy. Just go to category, then let's check if there's any Telegram tasks. But basically there's no Telegram tasks for now. They are basically usually tasks here every time. There's no how you get to decide that you know see tasks. So here, as you can see, watch YouTube video, you get paid $0.04. Watch YouTube video, like plus comments. Just as you can see, this ones take you less than this one. Just watch the video and subscribe. This one will take you within minutes. You complete this one and get your money. So alright, I won't be going too in depth into it. So once you just want to let's say once you want to take a task, as you can see, this is the number of people that they want for the job, and this is the amount of people that have done the job. So once you want to do the job, just click on it. So you see the instructions here. When you scroll down, you see the instructions. These are the instructions. Watch 3 minutes of the video. Then so you required proof. What is the upload date of the video? So just check the date of the video that they uploaded it and paste it there for them, and you get paid your money as soon as possible. So let's go back. Let me teach you how you can withdraw and other things that you need to know. So let's just click on this menu. So you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, as you can see, I have earned $3.3162. That's passive earnings. I actually didn't do much task on it. Some of them came through some commissions like that. So you have to requested implement yet on this account. So you can, if you are creating multiple accounts, I don't recommend it, but I think on my previous device when I was in Nigeria, I had another account, so that was the one I was using. But this one, I'm just basically using this one as an employer. But basically, if you want to withdraw, just come here and click on request withdrawal. So the minimum withdrawal is about $6. So you can actually withdraw. This is the one I recommend. I recommend using Litecoin. You can get your Litecoin address from Binance or Trust Wallet or something like that. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency where you can actually withdraw to. Or if you also have like PayPal account or Skrill account or Pod account, you can withdraw through it. But this one is basically for Nigerians. Like for those that are in Nigeria, this is very easy to do. If you don't know how to do this, you can watch some videos on YouTube. They teach you how to create your own Litecoin wallet and how to sell it and exchange it for Naira. So yeah, I think that's basically almost everything. So what else? What else? What else? Um, okay, you can also earn by what's it called? Affiliates, whereby you refer your friends. So when they do a task, you get paid a particular percentage of that. I'm not sure of the percentage, but basically that's just it about this platform. It's actually very easy to do, which you can earn money from it. So if you like this video, just make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll be in the coming videos. I'll be showing you a lot more ways of how to earn like very quickly and actually earn more online. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.